In this module, we can learn about dance forms of India. Dance forms of India can be divided into two main forms, classical dance and folk dance. India is known all over the world for its rich history, art and cultural heritage. Classical dance forms of India were performed mainly in temples, but now they are known in the world. Classical dances show a strong influence of the state they belong to. Indian classical dance forms include Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kathak from Uttar Pradesh, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam from Kerala, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Yakshagana from Karnataka, Manipuri from Manipur, Odissi from Odisha, Satriya from Assam. Folk dances. Folk dances are popular dances formed over a period of time as a result of social evolution. These reflect social traditions and customs of a particular area. Folk dances are performed in special occasions to express happiness and joy. Folk dances are Bhangra from Punjab, Garba from Gujarat, Lavani from Maharashtra, Ghumar from Rajasthan, Bihu from Assam. Like dance, music too is an integral part of Indian art and culture. The two major styles of Indian classical music are Hindustani and Carnatic. Hindustani is practiced in northern India. Carnatic is practiced in southern India. Dance is supported by music too. Make the experience unforgettable. Indian classical music used string instruments such as sitar, sarangi, tampura and veena. It also includes wind instruments like flute and shahnai. Percussion instruments like tabla and mridangam are used like drums.